Hello and welcome to AGDealerTV. I'm your host, Scott Garvey. Again, here on the grounds of the Ag in Motion farm site. Well, soil sampling is something everyone on the farm's pretty used to doing, but I bet everybody doesn't have a cool soil sampling rig like this one at TELUS. So Dave, tell me about your Tacoma here with tracks. What's it for, and tell me about it.
Sure, yeah, it's a 2020 or 2021 Tacoma. We use it for soil sampling. So on the passenger side, we remove the seat, have a hole in the floor, and we mount a hydraulic ram, which have a pump in the back, so we can push a small probe down about 24 inches to grab soil samples. And then we have it on tracks for mud, snow, and kind of get us through almost anything that we need to get through, so we can sample year-round, start in August and end in April. Able to continuously sample. So yeah, as you can see, the passage has been taken out. And there's a hole right here. And then we have this big C channel that's mapped into the frame. And then there's a probe on the inside. The bar goes all the way down, and I think the probe's out. If you look underneath, you can see that. And then hydraulic lines that run to the box of the truck. It's got the hydraulic pump in it and an additional battery to run that. And then our samples, we take 0 to 6 in one bucket, and then 6 to 24 in the other bucket. We'll take 12 cores at one sample or at one point, mix them all up, put them in a bag, and ship them off to the lab.
So you do custom sampling for farmers then, generally, or?
Yeah. So we offer kind of two big products. One's a SureCheck, which is a flat rate. We'll sample the mean area in the zone. We'll build a map to find the mean middle point of the zone. And then we do Optimize RX as well, which is a variable rate product. So we'll break the field down into 3 to 10 zones or more. And then we'll take a soil point from each of those zones based on the mean point of the zone. And then they get a georeference PDF. They come over to those soil guys, and they got a tablet mounted up inside. And then they just drive to the point, take the 12 cores, drive to the next point, take the 12 cores.
So how do farmers contract you if they want you to do work for them?
Reach out to decisivefarming.com is our website. Reach out to anyone on there, and then I'll direct you to any of our territory managers who will kind of more in-depth explain what we do and get you started.
And so after you do the sampling, you provide a soil map?
Yeah. So we'll build a map first, and then soil results come back attached to the zone, and then you have to put in some information to My Farm Manager, which is our online platform. Put in your crop type, your yield goals, what kind of fertilizer you're going to use, and then you'll have a meeting with one of our agronomists, and they'll go through what they recommend to put in each zone. And then it's kind of a collaborative effort, kind of go back and forth until farmers are happy with what rates are going to go down, and then we build a prescription file. So we'll take those rates, put them in a digital file, format it for whatever kind of equipment you're using, and then upload it to the controller, and off we go seed.
Thanks.
You bet.